So now once we have our thermostat installed, oh, this one goes over here, yeah. I knew this one. I knew this pipe would go over here. I mean this pipe, not this pipe, but this connector. Yeah, it's this one right here. This one goes to thermostat. Alright, smaller hose goes to smaller part. Let me take off the clip. Not take off, but like, oh, you son of a bitch. Here we go. Out. Here we go. Damn it. Done it wrong. I think I should have done the bigger one first. It'll be a little bit easier. Actually, no, what else? You know what I gotta do? I have to install this fucking guy. This one right here. Alright. Yeah, this one's not gonna be easy. Time consuming. Little bastard. What kind of size was the socket? Okay, found it. So this one you gotta use 7 millimeters to take this one off. All right. Well, you know what? Before I do, I'm gonna, I think, open these guys up. I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, I'm gonna open these ones up. Pull them back. Oh, I know what I did. So once you open this one up, you put your finger in here. You press it this way, so it locks in into this little pin. And then you keep your finger on this one, and you do the same thing. You pull this one out, and you clip it in. This way everything stays, because if you do one side and you don't put your finger in here, and you try to do the other side, this one is gonna clip it back in there, and you're not gonna be able to take this off, because there's 3 clips, 1, 2, and this one is the 3rd one. So yeah, all right, time to plug this bad boy. All right, so it goes like that, straight. Need to get some light in there. So this is where it's gonna go. And it went like that. This is gonna... And I wonder... Fuck me, see? Clipped in. Both, yeah. What I'm gonna do is, as you can see, I'm gonna put these 2 little guys. Just make sure they don't fall down there, because you're gonna be screwed once it goes into the. There's an O-ring over here. All right, just a simple press and twist maybe. It's a big mess in there. All right, guys.